And you're on. Okay, let's try again.
Aloha familia. Welcome to the official tiny house reveal.
We're 99% done with the inside. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough and just show you what we got so far.
Okay, here we go. I just wanted to give y'all the real entry.
All right, so this is our entryway. We have our little bench seat here for the mudway. Take off your boots, get yourself together. We have our library here, bookshelf with a nice bench here. So you sit down, read a book, and enjoy the view of the garden coming soon. And then right out this window here will be our main garden area. Views of the ocean straight out. There'll be animals out front in the animal pens here. And we'll just continue to landscape and make it look beautiful. So this window will be really important here in this tiny house. As you enter this way, we have the kitchen. We have a decent sized refrigerator for a tiny house. We didn't want to make it too small. We have a nice wide open kitchen space with counters on both sides. Big open counter space. Nice big butcher block, chopping block, cutting boards that we put in just to save the counters from getting beat up.
He made those, by the way. He made 3 of them.
So we got 3 of those just to keep them around, just keeping them in every area. So whenever you think about cutting something up, there's a cutting board there waiting for you. We got our cabinets. We still have to build some shelves. We're gonna put in some little slider shelves in these gaps here. We're gonna still put in a cabinet on the wall on both sides. We got our big sink here. We wanted a big deep sink. Nice big space there. All of our water is catchment here, so paying attention to how you use the water is always important. We got some greens there from the garden outside. And this is one of the first things we grew here on the tiny farm. So then you come on this side, we have our stove area, and what you can hear in the background, that's our solar setup. So this is a really simple setup so far. This is our little solar area, and our solar panels are outside. And eventually we're gonna build that in and cover that up, but we're still getting there. Our induction cooktop. So we had it was between electric or gas or propane. I mean, so we chose electric. It's safer, and it just pulls more solar, so that just encourages us to build up the solar system. Our cooktop there. We have our oscillating fan up top, and that fan moves side to side enough to air out this whole space right here. So it feels good when you put that fan on. Keeps the air flowing. And keep in mind, it's the first thing we ever built. We never built anything, and we started on this, and we really just put our all into it. So all of the wood you see here is cedar wood. All the wood you can see is either cedar wood or redwood. So we thought, since it's a tiny space, let's go all out on the way we do it, on the materials. We can get it all in such a small space, so let's do it.
There's our little greetings and thanks poster. You know, we got to keep that in here. Oh, hello, Ina.
We got our built-in pull-up bar. This is actually, it actually is a pull-up bar, but I also have it in case we hook a ladder there to get up and down to this loft. If not, you could use the catwalk here to get back and forth between the lofts. So we have the main loft up top here, and then there's a staircase there that goes up to the main loft. So continue this way.
You gonna help do the tour, Ina? No, okay.
Maybe.
As you come this way, we have, this could be a second room, or it could be just an entertainment center. So this is our little mini living room for the tiny house. This is our bench seat here that has storage built in. But you could also pull this out. And we're getting a cushion made for this, so this could be a sleeper as well. And then here we have just a set that I made, a built-in setup for a TV there. So if we were to put a TV, this could be the center here, or you could just put a nice big picture or whatever you want in here.
Fish tanks.
Come this way, we have our bathroom. So what we did was, with saving space, we decided to do a dry bathroom, so there's not a shower in here. We're gonna put the shower outside. Our kitchen, our sink is coming soon. We're gonna hang this sink on the wall. Nice small corner sink, keep it real simple. We have our separate compost toilet. This is a villa, so it's a nicer one. It looks more traditional, more what you're used to when it comes to a toilet. But the way this toilet works is when you have to sit down, whether it's number 1 or 2, you have to sit down. And when you sit down, a button pushes, the back part opens, so your waste will go in the back. Your number 2 will go in the back, and your number 1 will automatically come forward here to the drain part. So it has a built-in fan, and that fan pulls the air out and pulls that outside. But what it does is it dries your waste, so it eliminates all of the odor. And then the when you pee, that goes forward, and that goes to a gray tank outside and mixes in with the gray water. So another thing that we did that I've never seen anyone do is we added a bidet to it to rinse your this area here where you would pee. You don't want to mix any water in the back area. That's a total dry area. And then we'll do an actual separate toilet video in the future to show you how you clean this out, or maybe you can just look that up if you're interested. But there's a bucket in there that you could take out to actually remove all of the waste. And again, your urine, it leaves out the house. What they would recommend is you have a spray bottle and clean this out with a spray bottle, but we installed the bidet to make it more efficient. So there's our small bathroom coming along.
Storage, a little bit of storage.
Some built-in storage there.
We're gonna put a vanity back
for our little
there.
half pony wall. Yeah, we'll put a vanity on this wall. And again, we'll have a little corner sink here on this wall. And then as you continue upstairs, we'll let Asia show you what it looks like up top.
This is our stairway that we use to get up, obviously, but it's more like a ladder than actual stairs. So when you're going up, you want to climb up as a ladder, and then when you're coming down, you also want to climb down as you would if you were on a ladder. So that's something that's a little bit unique to this space. And there I am again. Welcome up. So this is our master suite. This is where Mom and Dad will sleep. Storage area. And Ina does sleep there too. And a nice spacious area. You can relax. It's a nice cross breeze that we get. So that was kind of a good little note or memo to keep in mind, is that when you are creating a space, you do want to get that cross breeze. It really makes the ventilation and just the flow of air. It just really creates a nice feeling in here.
Yeah.
You can still do yoga, so that works out very well. And one of my favorite parts is the catwalk.
Yeah, Dad especially made it for me.
Let me see you didn't do your catwalk then. Go, go. Go get it, girl. Go get it, girl. So this is our catwalk. This allows us to go back and forth from each loft. This wasn't in our original plans, but we decided to add it after some discussion between the two of us. But yeah, I'm glad that we end up adding it. It really makes for just a fun experience for the kids and for the adults. I love this part. This is kind of like, I don't even know what to call it, but I just love the aesthetics of it. I'm gonna add some plants right here. I love the way that the lighting shines through, especially at nighttime when it's dark and you're down in the kitchen. The lights just kind of set the vibe here. So, welcome to Ina's loft.
This is my room.
What do you want to say about your room?
My dad made this for me, but I like to sleep in their room better because I'm not used to sleeping without my parents. We're gonna build a little gate right here, cause
Yeah, we don't want the girl. Yeah.
And my grandma's really nervous when I'm over here. She's like, be careful.
Grandmas. We're also going to add, with the pull-up bar, we can add stairs, so we'll do that too. And then during the nighttime when she's sleeping, we'll insert a bar there.
Idea.
Yes.
We can, like those ladders that go down, but you could bring them back up, like a paper ladder, kind of. Like those type of ladders, you can have a ladder, and then you can roll it back up when you don't want somebody to crawl up.
Got you.
We can use that, if we want someone to come up, we can put the ladder down. But also if we just need to put the ladder up, we can come roll it up and maybe just put it under here or something. Find a little pot we can just store it.
Good idea. Ina's already crusting her space with a little artwork.
Before Dad put this here, I drew it onto my onto the wood. But at first Dad was kind of mad, but then like we figured out that this piece was actually going in this room, and it was my room, so we were like, oh, that's fine. It's the piece.
It's cute. It's cute. Okay, well, thank you for showing the space. Okay, so that's pretty much a wrap. We will give an update on this space once we really complete it, finish it off. You know, we just keep showing y'all the progress of this space. It'll continue to keep unfolding and getting better and better with time. Shout out to the big guy.
Yeah.
He put so much work and so much everything, just mental power, and I really appreciate you.
So this is our first project like this, and it's been a privilege to work on this and to learn, and now to have something that stands and is there for you and for many people after you. So it's been a privilege to do this. And also, this is phase 1. We got phase 2, which is the deck, and then we'll just constantly keep building, keep hammering. Here we go. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy.
Peace. Building it up, one piece of wood at a time. It's crazy to think this all started from nothing.